All right, let's get to the heart of it tonight. A tale about the positive impact of social media on one Maryland business owner. An entrepreneur we first introduced you to last spring tells us his life changed overnight after a story from WUSA 9. In tonight's Heart of It, our Sean Martinelli catches up with the man packing pretzels with purpose.
It's been nearly a year since we first visited this kitchen outside Baltimore.
Yes.
But nothing about this story turned stale.
It's like a DJ. Mix, 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 mix.
As we first reported last year, Marcus Moore is the creator of a line of pretzels with purpose called More Crunch.
The world needs more crunch.
As his father Walter told us, Marcus was born with autism. This sweet success didn't come without some salt.
You get called to school and your kid's in the corner getting beat up because they're different, you know? That's not an easy thing.
Marcus's story eventually made it on TikTok, where it found the screens of millions.
And these aren't just customers. I call them my More Crunch crew.
Overnight, orders came flooding.
What he might do in 4 months, he got in maybe a day.
Marcus went from working 2 days a week to 5. He's personally packed thousands of bags with the help of his parents and a sealing machine named Steven.
Sealing machine, Steven. It just seems like a great name for it. Fits well.
Marcus hopes to soon hire others on the spectrum to keep filling this pretzel empire.
And voila.
Marcus's current joy is his father's pride.
Oh man, that is an understatement. That is I can't find the words, you know, to I can't find the words to say how happy I am. You know, as a father, you know, as knowing the road that Marcus has had to travel. I'm very grateful. I'm very proud of him. I love you.
There's still more to be written in the tale of More Crunch, more pretzels to bake, more lives to touch.
So this is my chance in life, and it means so much to life, and I'm not going to waste it.
Because the world needs
More crunch.
In Baltimore County, Maryland, Sean Martinelli, WUSA 9.